Creme caramel chocolate cake, 2 flies with 1 squat. Is that now a squat? Let's be honest, time is important. No one has time for long bakes and long recipes. This cake is a solution to all your problems. I first of all love any form of custard like a caramel flan or a Spanish flan. I love chocolate cake. So I've used a Woolies box cake, save time. I've made a flan, my favorite dessert, baked them together, and I've got 2 of the favorite things. Add some coffee and you've got 3 of my favorite things in one dessert. I mean, what more do you want? I love a beautiful bundt cake tin. That's the easiest way to impress people. So look around in all those odd shops, little vintage shops, and find those beautiful bundt cakes. I promise you, no one is going to know this is a box cake. Bake it in a beautiful pan, serve it to your friends. They're going to think you're so international, you're actually local. Promise you, this is amazing. Whatever shortcut you take, make sure it still impresses your friends. That's the #1 rule. Yum. Beautiful. Your icing is on the cake. Bake it in one go.